Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will try to explain you how we can choose the off delay timer in Panasonic PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our software. Where is our previous lecture is already done. But now in this video we will explain about timer, off delay timer. This is the set reset program, and now here we will be create for the timing program. One coil will be operate with the time by off delay. Means when we make the execution, after this main output will be on, and as we stop the execution, this will be stop after which set table time we fix in the timer. So go to the instructions, and here very simple, you can see this is the timer instructions. Click it on the timer instructions, and you can see here is the TOF timer you can find. So click it on this one, drop and drag it here in this window, and just here we will give the names of the variable. This also you can give the name timer, any other name also you can give, no problem. Sorry, timer. Okay, and next we will take one input for execute to our command. For an example, this main output we can use for the start our timer y0. This is our output set reset program, and when this y0 will be on, our timer will be started, and after one more we will put the output to test our timer. That's we can give the name y1 because of this y0 already we used, and this y1 we will use for timer, and this we will be connect with the output. It look bit like, and this also we will connect it here with the timer, and this line we will be connecting to the main. So, and here you have to be give the timer output, you can say no problem, any running time, that's very that's you can write, and here you have to be set the time, how much time after you output like to off, that time you have to fix it here. Very simple, just click it on the T hatch, how much time, yani 5 seconds, 10 seconds, for example 5 seconds I need, write just only 5s and click enter, and this time will be apply. And this program again you will be have to download into the PLC. First compile this program, zero error, zero warning, and make it downloads again. And this program is now successfully downloaded, and our PLC is also in run mode. If this is not in remote run, you can just click it here, change PLC mode, after you can put it in the run mode. So now I give the signal at x0 from my external input. As you can see, now y0 is reset, and y0 makes the turn on our timer. Now our timer is started look like yani, but it when works when our input will be off, because of now input is ready, and our output is also on. How much time we not remove the signal, it will be continue on. But when it's off, when this time applies, and this input we will remove. So I will make reset for y0, and now you can see this timer is now started, but our output still not off, because of why this time we apply for off delay, yani we have to be make it off delay. Again once I make it on and again off, can see this is all system is off, but output is not off. Now 5 seconds after off. And also if you like to change this time, so you can just change it here. For example, 10 seconds I will put and click enter, and again we will be downloaded into the PLC, and again we will be check. I will make the execution at the x0, and now you can see our output is on. But now I input stop, and you can see timer is now started running because of this is off delay timer, and as it will be completed 10 seconds, output will be off. If you use this one on delay timer, this will be starts after yani 10 seconds. Just when you change this uh, timer condition on delay, it will be starts after 10 seconds, and when you use the off delay, this will be stop after 10 seconds. Again once more I will show you. Now our output is on by 1, and as we will be stop the execution, motor will be still start, but when time finished 10 seconds which we applies it here, after this will be off, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this off delay timer. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.